Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my vlog. My name is Jeff. For today's video, meron tayong masarap na ulam para sa ating breakfast. Meron tayong masarap na sinikang na chicken with maraming kulay, sayote, lettuce, okra, and eggplant. Magpakulo ng water, magad ng maraming sibuyas, kamatis, loya, kaunting bawang, meron pa itong konting green chili, 5 pirasong cloves, at nagad pa tayo ng lemongrass para masarap talaga ito. Salt and pepper to taste. Continue lang ang ating pagpapakulo sa ating ginagawang sabaw at pag lumabas ng kanyang aroma maganda ng slice of chicken. So yung ating chicken cut into medium size. Bilhin natin ito guys, very fresh from the farm. At meron pa tayong slice of carrots in copy. Continue lang ang ating pagpapakulo hanggang maluto ang ating chicken. Maganda tayo ng ating chicken cubes, sinikang mix, patis kung gusto natin guys. At ready na rin ang ating mga gulay. So yung ating fresh gulay, malinis na ito. Maganda tayo ng ating slice of sayote. Antayin lang nating maluto or lumambot na ang ating sayote at pag naluto na, maganda yan ang ating iba pang mga gulay, yung ating fresh okra and eggplant. Antayin lang nating maluto ang ating fresh eggplant and okra at pag naluto na, huli natin nilagay ang ating lettuce. Mag-ready tayo ng lagayan at luto ng ating masarap na sinikang na chicken with maraming gulay para sa ating breakfast. Gawa tayo ng ating so healthy, so yummy, so refreshing cold drink. Meron tayong lemon with fresh mint leaf and meron pa itong cucumber. Yung ating fresh mint leaf, lemon juice, honey, and ang ating cucumber water, and i-blend lang natin ito guys. Meron na tayong napakasarap na cold drinks, lemon with fresh mint leaf. Hot drinks, meron tayong onion tea combined with green tea. Nilagyan pa natin ito ng slice of lemon. Healthy hot drinks. And please guys, don't forget to follow, like, comment, share, and you can also subscribe too. Kain tayo guys, ready na ang ating food para sa ating breakfast. Mapaparami tayo ng kain nito at nakakatakam ang ating food. So yan ang ating ulam. Let's enjoy the food and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye, ingat po.